पार करेंगे नैया रे बजो कृष्ण कन्हैया। पार कृष्ण कन्हैया मखन चुरैया। कृष्ण कन्हैया कृष्ण कन्हैया गौए चरैया। कृष्ण पार करेंगे नैया रे भजो कृष्ण कन्हैया। पार करें राधे जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे। जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे। जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे। जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो जय राधे। जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री कृष्ण बोलो 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 जय राधे। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 जय राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे हरि बोल। राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 बिहारी हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल गौर प्रेमानंदे
direct disciples of Swamiji are helping me and always with me. Where is Brahnath and all, Gopinath? They are not here?
No, they're in a room talking.
Talking still so
Meeting.
much.
Yeah, some talking, meeting.
You should make any program. I want to go to to take darshan of ISKCON duties. Because it is public.
Yes.
We have right to take darshan of my Shiksha Guru. I have so much faith on him. Whether they give any welcome or not, I don't want. I want to give welcome. I want to give Pushpanjali to the lotus feet of Swamiji. To deities, we will give. If no welcome, nothing, no harm. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go here and there in all temples without any invitation. Why should we?
Worry about it. Worry
Yes. What?
Yeah.
I'm not worried.
Yeah, you might anyhow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
You select the date at the day and we go.
Tomorrow we go.
Without invitation, without any repaying. No welcome, nothing we want.
Tomorrow.
We will give some donation, also Indian. 100 rupees there, a note there, in the lotus feet of Swamiji. Because it is Indian culture
Yes, to give.
to give anything
So we have
representing
so much
our
mangoes.
honor there.
We have so much mangoes, we can give some.
Oh yes, mangoes, some flowers we will give lotus Pushpanjali in his lotus feet
Yes.
of the Swamiji.
Yes.
Anyone cannot warn us. No problem at all. If they will tell that you could not come, then we will give on the door and do pranam there and we will return.
Yes.
No harm?
No harm.
No.
But if you don't go, we commit aparad.
No.
No?
We will not take aparad.
We not take.
No.
Maharaj, they will let you go in. They will let you go and take
Huh?
darshan. They will let you take darshan, Maharaj.
Yes. I will go.
But
If he, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, went in the temple of Shankara,
Mm-hmm.
he went in the temple of Kanyakumari, of Shakti, Uma, all over India, all temples he went without invitation. We will also go like this. Or Gurudev, Swamiji, They never wanted any welcome where the deities are. We are going to pay respect to them. We should be very broad-minded. Yes. We should try to be like Prahlad Maharaj, you know. His father gave so many problems, but he never minded anything. He never told Krishna that save me from that. We are in that line. We are in the line of Haridas Thakur. So we have so much wealth about this. If you want to do bhajan, don't try to have a reputation, name, fame, wealth and anything. Don't want. Tinadapi sunechena, tarorapi sahishnuna, amanina, manadena, kirtanina sada. If these qualities are not there, we cannot improve our Krishna consciousness. Only to show like boathouse, nothing is there. So we should have all these positive qualities. Namaseshtam manumapi Sachiputramatra Swarupa Tasyagrajavuripureng Mathurengoštavatim Radha Kundam Girivaramaho Radhika Madhavasam Prapto Yasya Prathiti Kripaya Gurung Tang Vancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhya cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo mahavadanyaya krishna prema pradayate krishnaya krishna chaitanya namne gauratise gurave gaurachandraya Radhikaya tadalaya Krishnaya Krishna bhaktaya tadabhaktaya bhaktya vihinaya paradhalakshay Sheptasya kamadi taranga madhyay Kripamayin tvang saranam prapanna Vrinde numaste charana Tvai vasmi न जीवामि त्वया बिना इति विज्ञाय राधे तंग माम चरणं I wanted to explain fourth chapter of Adi Leela, but I am giving some explanations even from the first chapter. So, briefly I am telling something what Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has explained in Sri Chaitanya Charitamritam. I think without reading this book we cannot understand Srimad Bhagavatam. Without this we cannot understand what was the mood of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and why he came and what he came to give to others. We cannot understand. But if we read this book ourselves, we will not go deep. So if any realized Vaishnava is there, knowing something better than me, and he is always chanting, always practicing bhakti yoga himself. So much honor for all Vaishnavas, no caste and creed and party feeling and all other things, like Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. So we should be very generous like him. No party feeling, nothing like Prahlad Maharaj, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Alrup Goswami and all other things. Then we can understand something and collect in our heart, and then our heart will be so pure and qualified to know deep meanings of all these things. Can you say who was the Diksha Guru of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Maharaj?
Nityananda Prabhu.
Nityananda.
He has no direct darshan. At that time Nityananda Prabhu has disappeared in his Nitya Leela. So, not direct Diksha or initiation. He has wrote so many books, but not he has declared openly who was his Gurudev. Why? He has first declared here that Sri Rup Sanatan Bhatta Raghunath, Sri Jiv Gopal Bhatta Das Raghunath, এই ছয় শিক্ষা গুরুজি আমার. He has begun Chaitanya Charitamrita from here really. We should not try to think them also like us. They are not in our category, condition so. So I'm from beginning, I'm telling so important things which we have heard from realized Gurudev, our Gurudev, Pujyapad Siddhar Maharaj, Swami Maharaj and all others. In this case I am so much fortunate to have association of these persons, these real devotees, associates of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. And especially I have so much fortunate I am that I served my Gurudev, always living with him as Naveen is living with me, or they are living with me, always. I noted everything here, not in black case. I do not have all these things, only this machine was with me. And I try always to keep all these things here. So, in the beginning he has prayed like Mangalacharanam. You know Mangalacharanam. That this book should be completed. No problems would come. In India, Ganesh, Saraswati are prayed for this. Sometimes Shankar and Bhavani, they are. But he has not prayed like that because he was real Vaishnava. Bande Guru Ish Bhaktan Isham Ishavatar Kano Tat Prakashansya Tat Sakti Krishna Chaitanya Sangakam. Then second, Bande Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Sahadito. Third, Yada Advaitam. Then fourth, Anarpit Charing Chira. Then fifth, Radha Krishna Pranay Vikriti Hladini Shakti Smat Ekatmana Bhuparam. And after that, very important, main cause of coming Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidrisho Anvi. Then he prayed for Sankarsana. Sankarsana Karana To Yasai Garbho Dasai. And then at last he prayed Jayatang Suratau Pangurmam Mandamatir Gati Massaravashwa Padambhojau Radha Madana Mohano Dibya Devindaranya Kalpadrumada Simadaratnagar Singha Shri Shri Radha Shilagovinda Devu Pristhalivi Shadvimanos. Then at last Gopinath Siman Rashasaram Bansi Bhartata Sthita Karsan Vein Sunay Gopi Gopinas. I think that you know some meaning of this. I will explain it further. In his Bangla Payar means Bangla poem, he is telling, praying to Govind, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. 18 ঠাকুর গৌড়িয়া গণের করিয়াছেন আত্মসাৎ. What is the meaning of आत्मसात? ए तीन चरण बंदो तीन मोरना. You have Chaitanya Charitamrita explanation by Swamiji. So these three, Govind, Gopinath and Madan Mohan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Rupa and Sanatan to fulfill three things: to discover and to establish the ancient deities by Vajranath in the dynasty of Krishna. He was the son of Krishna.
Great generation. Great generation.
Third or fourth generation, perhaps, in Jadhav dynasty. Vajranath. He came to Vrindavan about 5,000 years before. Then Vrindavan was like a forest everywhere in 12 Vrindavan. So many chinha, signs of Krishna pastimes have been ruined. Mathura also became like Madhuban. No trace also there. In Vrindavan, very dense forest. There was no Chhattikara. It became dense forest. In Kamyavan, in Radhakund, no, very little signs were of Krishna pastimes, Radha and Gopi and Shyamkund. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself came and discovered this is Shyamkund, this is Radhakund. So, after Krishna, he went to Dwarka and he disappeared. All places of Krishna pastimes were covered with bun, jungle and all other things. But Vajranath came here and by the help of son of Abhimanyu, Parikshit Maharaj, he was a very good devotee and very powerful. He again made new Mathura. He established in Vrindavan Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. When he was manifesting Krishna there in Vrindavan, Krishna came in the shape of Madan Mohan. His fits were 3/4. But he was not satisfied with this and this. Again he made feet of Madan Mohan and 3-folded of Krishna came, but not happening so well. Then he made third time. Then everything come. First was called Madan Mohan, second was called Govind, and third was Gopinath.
Gopinath. Sambandha Vidya Rajan.
And everything is in Radha Raman there. Everything. So he did 3 deities, but later on they were covered in dust, in earth. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered Rupa and Sanatana to discover these old deities, real deities, and to establish in Vrindavan. So Rupa Goswami established Govinda, Sanatana Goswami established Madan Mohan, and Madhu Pandit, one of the disciples of Gadadhar Pandit, he discovered it under the tree Bansivat, and all were served there. When this Krishnadas Kaviraj came, at that time it was so rich Vrindavan, everything were discovered by Rupa and Sanatana. Radha Kund was also discovered, Shyam Kund. So many places were discovered then. And so many devotees from Bengal, the associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after his disappearance, they all came gathered in the lotus feet of Rupa and Sanatana. But at last, Rupa and Sanatana Goswami also were disappeared. Then all were so unhappy. Raghunath Das Goswami, feeling so much separation, always bitterly crying, rolling down on the earth. Without Rupa, Sanatana, and all Goswamis, Giriraj seems like a Ajagar, Python.
Serpent. Snake. Sarp.
And it wants to swallow me. Radha Kund and Shyam Kund, like tiger's mouth. They want to swallow me. Vrindavan, like zero, nothing, without Rupa. Feeling so much separation, we cannot imagine real separation like Srimati Radhika or Krishna himself, herself, both each other feel separation so much. We cannot imagine in this stage. We can imagine if you will be Uttam Adhikari by doing bhajan, then we can imagine a very little, and we will feel that kind of separation. He came after all these things in Vrindavan. By the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, he came. I think that he was Vaishnava when he was in his home with his brother. But there became difference of opinion from his brother that he did not like Nityananda Prabhu, and he liked Nityananda Prabhu as a manifestation of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When he saw that his brother, elder brother, was not honoring so much and making something wrong in the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu as a householder, then he became furious and left home at once. He was coming to Vrindavan. I will not live with my brother. I must give up his bad association. Then he was out of his village. Under a banyan tree he was resting, and he was thinking how to go to Vrindavan. His eyes were
Tears. Full of tears.
वो बंद हो गई.
Closed.
Very close. And he said very little like dream. Nityananda Prabhu, with a tall figure, weeping, telling Hari Bol, Hari Bol, and he gave his lotus feet on the head of Krishnadas Kaviraj. Don't worry, you have left your brother like enemy for me, then I will have to help you, certainly. Those who leave everything for me, I cannot leave them. Krishna has told like this also. Those who has given up everything for me, brother, sister, father, mother, wife, children, wealth, reputation, name, fame, everything, even shame, they have given. I cannot give up them. So I am keeping my fates on your head. Don't worry. Go at once to Vrindavan. Everything will be helpful for you. I will arrange everything. I will help you. He went to Vrindavan, and now he is writing that only due to the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu I met Rup Sanatan. At that time they were disappeared, but they came to give darshan to Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. By the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, these three Thakurs, Govinda, Gopinath and Madan Mohan, out of mercy they gave darshan to me only due to Nityananda Prabhu. I saw Vrindavan everywhere like in the time of Krishna. Don't have nidra, don't sleep, otherwise I will make you to stand. Try to listen. You have come from so many distance. I have come from so much distance. I want that you should hear all these things and have so much bhakti. So he is telling that I saw Vrindavan. What Vrindavan? Where Krishna with all gopis playing on floor, dancing with them. I saw Govardhan, Krishna lifted it. I saw Radha Kund where all the gopis are meeting with Krishna. I went to Vandirvan, I saw Krishna playing with boys, cowherd boys there. Everything came in my eyes as if I am seeing direct. So everything came by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. He told that I am a very wretched person. Very wretched. Purusher kit haite mui se laghista. You know, stool? I am more wretched than stool.
Warm of a stool.
Warm
of a stool.
Warmin.
Warmin. Yes, warmin. If I am more wretched than Jagayam and Madhai, he is feeling here. He is not telling all this artificially like us. Oh, I am so wretched, but I know that, I am so big. I am very educated. I am so learned. I know so many Siddhant. I am like a guru, Acharya. Not like this. He is not telling anything artificial. We should try to be like that. open-hearted. Really, what we realized, he realized this. So more wretched than Jagai Madhai, if anyone take my name, he will lose his all good activities. And if anyone
Hear my name.
hear my name,
All pious activity
will go
pious
away.
will go, and sin will
But still, Nityananda Prabhu is so marvelous, merciful, that he accepted me. So I cannot, मैं उनको भूल नहीं सकता.
I can forget it.
I cannot forget him. So he's telling all these things, and there is a system that if anyone begins any work or any book or anything, even we are making any temple in the beginning, we should surely do prayer to our all these things. Yeah? So he is telling that I am dedicating myself, so much namaskar, so much pranam in the lotus of feet of three. Oh, Madan Mohan, Govind and
Gopinath.
Who is Madan Mohan? We can have any relation first from Krishna, and that Krishna is Madan Mohan. He is so beautiful. He is so marvelous. She is so merciful. If anyone take darshan, he will not forget him. He will be of Krishna. She will be of Krishna. So first, in first glance, you have some relation with Krishna, that I am yours. Sambandha. And then when we have any service to Krishna, after Sambandha, relation, activities begins. And then Krishna becomes Govinda. Same form, but in more affection and love there. And when he is controlled by his gopis or anyone, then he will never be controlled without gopis. Anyone cannot control. Mother can control, but to some extent. When mother will sleep in the night or day, where Krishna will go?
Radhika.
He is always worry for meeting to gopis. So he will show that I have slept in the night, and thus he will cheat his mother and father, and he will go to gopis. So gopis can control Krishna to full extent. Anyone cannot do like this. Not father, mother, not sakhas also. They can control to some extent. But to whole capacity, gopis can control. But not all gopis to full constant. 8 Lalita Vishakha Chitra Champaklata Tung Vidya Indu Lekha Rang Devi Sudevi. Among them, and among them two most, Lalita and Vishakha. And among all Chandrauli and all others, Srimati Radhika can control fully. Without these kinds of love, anyone cannot control Krishna. So when gopis control Krishna, then he becomes Gopinath. What is the meaning of Gopinath? There are two meanings of Gopinath. Gopinath. He is Nath of gopis. No, never.
Lord.
Husband,
Lover.
beloved,
Parama.
more than
Beloved.
for always. Like Hlad Nishakti Mahabhav. We will explain further all these things. So he becomes Gopinath, Nath of gopis, beloved of gopis. But like Gopishwar, like Shet Bandha Rameshwar, Rama Ishwara Jasya Saurameshwara. No? What I told?
Rama, Ishvara, Jasya.
What is the meaning? Ram is Ishwar, of whom that is Rameshwar. No? Gopishwar Mahadev. Gopis are master of whom that is Gopishwar. Your gopis are prominent. They are master of Shankar. And he has become like gopis. And he is serving gopis. Then he is Gopeshwar. In the same sense here, Gopinath, gopis are Nath of whom?
Krishna.
Really prominent is gopis here. Gopis are prominent. These are beloved, more beloved, like life and soul of Krishna. Without this, Krishna cannot live. That is called Gopinath. Understand? But this meaning very rare person will think, realize. But Rupa Goswami and all has given explanation like this. Krishna has told in Srimad Bhagavat, Na pare ham nirabadya sanjuyam sasadu kritya vibhuja ujasa piva ma bhajana dirjara griha sinkhala samprishya tadava pratijatu sadhuna. Oh, you are sadhu. You should be pleased to me. I cannot repay you. For long age serving you, I cannot repay. So you should be pleased by your only merciful tendency. So Krishna cannot repay them. So these are life and soul of Krishna. Several in Srimad Bhagavad times, so many times, so many places it has been written. The gopis controlling Krishna, life and soul of Krishna, and Krishna is also life and soul of. So here it is the Gopinath. He is praying first that they should come in my heart and they should be merciful, that I should write the glories of Krishna and gopis. Chaitanya Charitamrita and Srimad Bhagavata, both are clarification of gopis, especially of Radhika. In all other Veds and Purans, the glorification of Krishna has been done. But Srimad Bhagavata is especially to express the glories of Srimati Radhika. Everywhere we will see Krishna has adopted Srimati Radhika as his guru. Krishna is my guru. Gopis, Radhika is my prem guru.
Radhika ra prema guru, ami Shishanatha.
Yes, Ami
Shishanatha.
I am only learning how to dance and to sing and all these things. Something kirtan should be done to rest, take me rest, and then again I will. Krishna Da. Where are the weather party? Where? Have you bring your instrument?
A harmonium.
From tomorrow, you should bring your instruments and sing some kirtan here and come before time.
I have. He has harmonium. I have harmonium.
They can sing on harmonium. You can sing on harmonium.
I have harmonium.
Then you can come and.
Is that right?
What kirtan? Or from today, from tomorrow we'll see. Here Krishna Das. Gauranga bolite hobe. Where harmonium? You should bring.
হবে পুলক শরীরা হরি হরি বলিতে না মনে ভাবে নীরা গৌরাঙ্গ বলিতে হবে পুলক শরীরা হরি হরি বলিতে না বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন কবে হাম হেরাব শ্রী বৃন্দাবন বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে গৌরাঙ্গ বলিতে হবে পুলক শরীরা হরি হরি রূপার গুণাথ পদে রহুক মোর আশা প্রার্থনা করে সদা নরক মদাস রূপার গুণাথ পদে রহুক মোর রূপার গুণাথ পদে রহুক মোর আশা প্রার্থনা করে সদা নরোত্তম
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Bhakta Vrinda, Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasati, Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasati, Sivasati, Go Bhakta Vrinda, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasati, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nitai Gaur Hare Bol, Hare Bol, Hare Bol, Go Hare Bol. Nitai Gaur Hare Bol, Hare Bol, Hare Bol, Go Hare Bol. Jaya Guru Deva, Guru Deva, Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva. Guru Dev, Guru Dev, Guru Dev, Jaya Guru Dev. Jaya Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. Jaya Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Prabhupada. Jaya Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Swami Prabhupada, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Swami Prabhupada. Haribo, 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 Go, Haribo. Nitai Gaur Haribo, 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 Go, Haribo. Go Premanande.
In Radha Damodar temple in Sevakunja. We have seen him there. Stand up. So I am requesting all, you should come with me in lovely Vrindavan. Jamuna is flowing so pleasantly, very delicious. Cuckoos are there singing. Peacocks are dancing there by the side of Rupa Goswami. Where his bhajan sthali is there, Srila Krishnadas Goswami is sitting there, remembering the affection and the mercy of causeless mercy of Nityananda, and beginning Chaitanya Chaitamrit. He is telling that I have become so old, my teeth are going on, my hairs have become fair, white. I cannot hear more. My hands are shaking. I am not remembering so much things. I don't know when I will die, but yet I miss beginning. Why? Because all the Vaishnavas of Vrindavan requested him to do something for them, so that they may remember Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is all associates. In the same time, Radha Krishna Conjugal and all his associates. If you are not writing, then we will lose everything. Jiva Goswami has written, but in Sanskrit. You should read in Bangla. Very easy reading, so that we may understand something. Rupa Goswami has also written so many things, and he has completed the wishes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but all in Sanskrit. So you must do something that we illiterate persons, not knowing anything ABCD of Sanskrit, we may remember Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You should know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given something task to complete them. He has given this task, Tattva preaching. What is Tattva? Krishna Tattva, Maya Tattva and all this. Especially to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya has given everything what he heard from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and so many things to his disciple Madhusudana Saraswati. And Madhusudana Saraswati has sent that disciple to Varanasi to teach all these things to Jiva Goswami. So Jiva Goswami has completed this thing. Coming from Sarvabhauma, all the tattvas. He has given bhar mane kya? Responsibility of rasa preaching, Rasamai Bhakti to Sarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda. They did by Rupa Goswami. They gave everything to Rupa Goswami, especially Sarup Damodar gave it to Raghunath Das Goswami when he was there in Puri. He taught everything, and he has remembered it. And when on the disappearance, after disappearance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar, Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramanand, Raghunath Das came, weeping bitterly to leave his life in Jamuna or at Govardhan Hill, falling from there. But Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami protected him, and he was in Radha Kund. So Krishna Das Kavi, he took all these things from Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, and he has something from Sarup. So he gave it to Rupa Goswami, also gave, Sarup Damodar also gave to Raghunath Das Goswami, and he gave it to Krishna Das. That is why he is writing so good, so well. Otherwise he cannot write. What he has written, all are true to accident and Siddhanta, according to
conclusion.
Siddhanta. Mane authentic. What he has written,
All are authentic.
all are attentive. We must see and understand these are the languages of Rup Raghunath especially. Because at the end of every chapter he has told like this. Sri Rup Raghunath Pade Mor As Chaitanya Charitamrit Kahe Krishna Das always. So it is the essence of all these things. He had taken from Jiva Goswami all the tattva, all the Rasa Vichar, Rasamai Bhakti, Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti, everything from Rupa Goswami, and something he has taken from Raghunath Das Goswami by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. So he is telling in 32 Payar, first chapter, Krishna Guru Dvaya Bhakta Avatar Prakash Shakti Echhai Rupe Karena Vilas. Krishna is one. But how one? Like one, O-N-E-3 becomes one. No? There is nothing one in this world. Unity in diversity.
Unity and diversity.
Yes, like this. Krishna is nothing one. Krishna, Guru Dvaya, Bhakta, Avatar, Prakash and Shakti. What has written the meaning of this payar? You should read.
Lord Krishna enjoys by manifesting himself as the spiritual masters, the devotees, the diverse energies, the incarnations, and the plenary portions. They are all 6 in one.
In one. He has taken it from Jiva Goswami. Originally, there was no Sampradaya. But Jiva Goswami binded the two banks with golden stone so that any bad thing should not come. In Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Parivar, Gaur Parivar. So we are very fortunate to come in this line, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Parivar. If he will lose the line of disciplic order, Acharya, and we will not give honor to them properly, then we will lose our connection. Then we will be a Vaishnava. We should be very careful for this, that Swamiji is first Guru, and from Swamiji we are coming. Don't tell like this, otherwise you will lose the connection. Some wants to tell that founder Acharya of ISKCON is Swamiji. Before it was not. But don't believe this. It was from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has accepted Brahma, Narad, Vyas, Sukadeva Goswami, Madhvacharya and all this. Then Madhavendra Puri, Ishwar Puri coming in this line. So we should try to give proper respect to them. Otherwise they will lose the link and no electricity will come. That is, no pure current of bhakti will come. Yeah. And we will be apasampradaya. Some are telling like this, Rupanuga Vaishnava. We are not Rupanuga Vaishnava, we are Prabhupadanuga Vaishnava. This is like an offense. You should not believe on this. Otherwise we will lose the link. And Swamiji will be of nowhere. We will displease Swamiji by this. If Bhaktivinoda Thakur has told that we are Rupanuga, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, even Baldev Vidyabhushan, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Narottam Thakur has told like this, we are Rupanuga. Even Sanatan has accepted in any form that he is Rupanuga Vaishnava. We should not deny this. No? Otherwise, pure bhakti, prema bhakti will not come. And we will be Sahaji alike and Apasampradaya. Don't try to make him Apasampradaya. He will not be Apasampradaya, but we will be Apasampradaya by having these views.
Misconception.
Yes. This is so important. When we will be Uttam Adhikari, perhaps at that time we will think whether need is there or not, but up to Uttam Adhikari, we will have to do like this. When we will be Uttam Adhikari, then we will see that we are in Vrindavan, serving and Radha and Krishna. There is also some party of Chandrauli party, Padma party, Shyamala party, Bhadra party. There are so many. Srimati Radhika's party, Lalita party also. But we want to be in the party of Srimati Radhika under the guidance of Lalita and Vishakha. And among them, our Shiksha Guru will be Rup Manjari and all others in same line. But not like this world there. No disciplic order is there. No sadhana bhakti is there. No bhav bhakti is there. There is prem and prem. And prem going towards sneh, man, pranay, rag, Anurag, Bhava, Mahabhav. Yes, Madanakha, Mohanakha, and after that. And this, only in Srimati Radhika these things are. So our aim and object, this thing, and we are wandering here in the grosses. This is my party, this is your party. Narayan Maharaj has come to make any other party. No, not for this. We should not struggle for this. We should try to take all siddhants. We will just discuss every day all these things. Not criticize anyone. You should not criticize. If anyone criticizes, you should be stopped. But don't criticize anyone. You should try to take all the essence we are given in classes. So there are 6 anga of Krishna, and all makes one Krishna, and that Krishna is full. Otherwise he will be like Nirvishesh Brahma. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanda koti kotishvasesh vasudhadi vibhita bhannam tad brahma niskalam ananta sesha bhutam govindamadi purusham tamaham. We should not be like Nirvishesh Mayavad Brahma. They don't admit all these things. No vilas of Krishna, no associates of Krishna. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has told to Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, and all the Goswami to declare all these things, Siddhanta. And we should know all the Siddhanta. If you are not knowing Siddhanta, then you are doing like this and this in air. Sometimes you may fall. Yes. So don't be very strong in all these things. In 6. One by one he is expressing. First he is telling, he is doing namaskar, he is doing pranam to all 6 tattva. These are 6 tattva. But we know that only one there is तत्व, पट तत्व, कृष्ण तत्व, अद्वय ज्ञान पर वदन्ति तत्त्वविदस्तत्त्वं ज्ञानम अद्वयम् ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवानेति शब्द, ओनली वन पर तत्व, अद्वय ज्ञान पर तत्व. Someone told that he is Brahma, some tells that he is Paramatma, and some rare tells that he is Bhagavan. And that Bhagavan is ete chansakala punsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. You know? I think that you know and can explain this sloka. Vadanti tattva vidas tattvam jajjnanam advayam. But even then he is seen and he is realized in three stages: Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. You should know that there are three things here: Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan, but not same thing. Not same thing. Of Krishna, these are. But we can see Brahma in another platform. The angle of vision will be not same of three. Same thing Krishna. But the name threes are not same thing. Like water, snow and fog. Water is not fog. Water is not what? Barf? Snow. But same thing. Same thing.
Substance is same.
Something different stage of water. But water is there. So Krishna is there. But these threes which are seen in as a Brahma, Paramatma and Krishna are not like same. We are seeing this mountain from very far away. We see that there is like a cloud. When we will come nearer, we see that, oh, there is a mountain, there are so many trees. No? But when we will come just on the mountain, we will see that, oh, so many stones are there, so many wild beasts are there, birds are there, trees are there, creepers are there, persons are there, devotees are there, everything is there. So mountain is in one mountain, but according to the distance of the devotee, it is seen in three ways. But these three exceptions are not same. So we cannot tell Krishna like Brahma is Krishna, Paramatma is Krishna. But there is a link. They are not other than Krishna, but not especially Brajendanandan Shyamsundar. Reflection sometimes, the beauty of Krishna from a distant place, that is from very far away devotion, it seems as a Brahma. By this whole world has been created. And it seems that it has no shape, no quality, nothing. So they tell it Brahma. And when they come nearer by devotion, they see in each heart one Brahma. That is the part of Krishna. Sat and Chit. But in part. In Brahma, only Chit, and it is perverted reflection, not real. In Paramatma, not perverted reflection, but part of Krishna. From Krishna Baladev, from Baladev Mul Sankarshan, from Mul Sankarshan Mahasankarshan. From there came Karnabdishai Vishnu, then Garbhodasai, and then became Kshirodasai. And Kshirodasai everywhere in a shape like this. So here Paramatma, Sat and Chit, but only in very little. And when there is shape, beauty, all the qualities, all the powers with all associates, then he is called Bhagavan. But not saying Bhagavan. Bhagavan means all like Krishna, Ram, Nrsimha, Kalki, Vaman, all. But Sukadeva Goswami has told that don't be confused. Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. Krishnastu Swayam. And if there is not Radhika, Lalita, Vishakha and all, no friends, no father, mother, then Krishna is not Swayam. Then he is Bhagavan of Dwarka. Not Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan, especially he is the son of Jashoda, taken birth in Gokul, with so many friends, so many cows, on the bank of Jamuna in Ras, doing with all the gopis who are in so many groups, 4 groups especially. When Krishna is dancing, making and testing so much rasa, ananda, then he is Swayam Bhagavan. Even in Mathura he is not Swayam Bhagavan. Bhagavan, really Bhagavan. But Swayam Bhagavan is Brajandanandan Shyam Sundar. So, he is manifested in 3 ways, Govind, Gopinath and Madan. He had done pranam first to them, and now he is coming, Bande Gurun, Isha Bhaktan, Ishamasavatarkano, Tat Prakash Sansat, Tat Sakti, Krishna Chaitanya Shakti. You should read the meaning of this.
25 minute
Kato?
25.
Acha, ab band kar. You should read the meaning by Swamiji.
I offer my respectful obeisances unto the spiritual masters, the devotees of the Lord's incarnations, His plenary portions, His energies, and the primeval Lord Himself, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Purport. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has composed this Sanskrit verse for the beginning of his book, and now he will explain it in detail. He offers his respectful obeisances to the 6 principles of the Absolute Truth. Gurun is plural in number because anyone who gives spiritual instructions based on the revealed scriptures is accepted as a spiritual master.
Again, you should very attentively hear this line, very important.
Gurun, G-U-R-U-N, is plural in number because anyone who gives spiritual instructions based on the revealed scriptures is accepted as a spiritual master.
Yes.
Although others give help in showing the way to beginners, the Guru who first initiates one with the Maha Mantra is to be known as the initiator.
Yes.
And the saints who give instructions for progressive advancement in Krishna consciousness are called instructing spiritual masters. The initiating and instructing spiritual masters are equal and identical manifestations of Krishna, although they have different dealings. Their function is to guide the conditioned souls back to home, back to Godhead.
Yes.
Therefore, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami accepted Nityananda Prabhu and the 6 Goswamis in the category of Guru.
Yes.
Isha Bhaktam refers to the devotees of the Lord like Sri Srivas and all other such followers who are the energy of the Lord and are qualitatively non-different from Him. Ishavataran refers to acharyas like Advaita Prabhu, who is an avatar of the Lord. Tat Prakashan indicates the direct manifestation of the Lord, Nityananda Prabhu, and the initiating spiritual master. Tat Shakti refers to the spiritual energies, Shaktis, of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gadadhar, Damodar, and Jagadananda belong to this category of internal energy. The 6 principles are differently manifested, but equally worshipable.
Yes, equally.
Krishnadas
Also, the gurus, he has told, those who get Shiksha, teachings, make us strong in Krishna service, all are gurus. Those are favorable and making our devotion so strong, all are the guru. So Diksha and Shiksha, also Shiksha Guru of 2 kinds, he will speak later, and we will discuss all these things. Try to read this poem in your Chaitanya Charitamrita and see, and then again tomorrow I will explain all these things. I am happy to meet all, and I think that our classes are so good. There will be chance of learning so much things. We are not going to make any rules and regulations here, not to meetings for controlling anyone. Only simple and simple. This Hari Katha.
Harikatha.
Hari Katha. Gaur Prema. After this, after Kirtan, I will give. Keep it here. Take it. Keep it here.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, go Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे राम हरि बोल 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 निताई गौर हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल श्री राधे जय हरे कृष्ण आरती 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 गौरंगी दासी आरती गौरंगी दासी आरती कहाँ रहे थोड़ा
before smaller
We have song sheets of your song.
because all will
We have song sheets of Bhakti English Maharaj.
yes very good as you like you can. We will meet tomorrow.